Enhancements have been made to the Assistant bar for faster, more efficient navigation throughout the system. When searching for a patient in the Patient Search bar, a patient search can be done by name or ID. The system remembers the last 6 patients for reselection. By hovering over the arrow to the right of the patient's name, you can now select which workspace from the desired Quick Links menu. Navigation arrows allow you to navigate forward and back from the current page. Similar to website navigation arrows, there are now forward and back arrows that allow you to go back to a previous workspace. When hovering over the right or left arrow, a tooltip will appear listing the previous workspace. Clicking on the arrow will change to that workspace with the same patient and context. From the drop-down next to the logged in user, there is now an option to configure to close a workspace when returning to user home. Note that this configuration must be done from user home. The checkbox is grayed out when viewing it from other workspaces. Select the checkbox to configure this option. If you return to user home from another workspace, that workspace will also be closed. Close All will close all open workspaces. Selecting the lock functionality will lock the workspace, prompting the user to log back in. Customizing Quick Links has a new option for configuring the default workspace that will launch when clicking on a patient's name in the patient search space or by clicking on any hyperlinked patient names. From the Quick Links menu, select Customize, select a category, and highlight the workspace you wish to set as the default workspace. Then use the arrow to the left of default workspace. Now, whenever I open a patient, I will open that patient up in the contouring workspace. Note that the default workspace is configured per user. From the Quick Links menu, there is now a separate category for treatment management. This allows you to quickly find the treatment management workspaces. The Patient Explorer search window has been redesigned. From the Patient Search bar, select Advanced Search. The functionality remains the same. The workspace has been redesigned and modernized to be consistent with the rest of OIS RO workspaces.